Hi, Assalamualaikum. With me again, Teacher Rin. Today we will learn about fractional indices. What is that? Let's check it out. As you can see here, we will learn about fractional indices. And then you can see there some sort of indices that we haven't learned before, which is a to the power of 1 over n. Okay, and then the lower one is nth root of a. Alright, what is that? Okay, let's check it out. Okay, what we will learn today? We will learn how to determine and state the relationship between fractional indices and roots and powers. Did you remember that we have learned about roots and powers in Form 1? Okay, we will use that knowledge in this topic. Are you ready? Okay, let's recall what we have learned before. The first one is 5 square. You know that 5 square equals to 25, right? Alright, and then 5 to the power of negative 2 equals to 1 over 5 square. Okay, can you remember that? One more, what I've teach you before is any number that have the power of 0 will have the value of 1. That is the basic that we have learned before. Okay, now today we will go further and explore about fractional indices. Okay, let's see. Alright, first one, a to the power of 1/2 will have the same value of square root of a. Alright, okay. A to the power of 1/3, okay, it will have this cube root, okay, cube root of a. Alright, and then a, okay, to the power of 1/4, or we can call it quarter. Alright, and then you will have the answer 4th root of a. Okay, that is the basic that you need to know in fractional indices. Right? Teacher ulangi dalam bahasa Melayu. Okay, a, okay, jika dikuasakan dengan 1/2 atau dalam Inggerisnya dipanggil 1/2, okay, a kuasa 1/2, kamu akan dapati dia bersamaan dengan punca kuasa a. Kenapa tiada punca kuasa 2 di depan? Kerana kita tahu dalam tingkatan 1 kita dah belajar. Seperti yang kita tahu, jika punca kuasa 2, kita tidak perlu menulis sebarang nombor di hadapan punca tersebut. Kan? Alright. Then, a to the power of 1/3 ataupun a kuasa 1/3, okay, akan mendapat nilai bersamaan dengan punca kuasa 3a. Or, in English, we call it cube root of a. Alright? A kuasa 1/4 adalah bersamaan dengan punca kuasa 4a. Okey, jangan risau, kita akan teruskan. Bagaimana untuk mendapatkan cara ni? Saya harap kamu dapat ikut untuk setakat ini. Alright? So, what about if I give to you another type of indices, which is a to the power of 2/3. Okay, what about this? Okay, a to the power of 2/3 can be defined as a square and in parentheses 1/3. Alright, okay, is it true? Okay, we have learned about power to the power. Okay, kita dah belajar kuasa kepada kuasa. Means, index in the bracket and index outside the bracket will have to multiply, right? So, 2 times 1 over 3, we'll get 2 over 3. Okay, so this is how you can transform a to the power of 2/3 to this. Alright, then, okay, I have told you before that a to the power of 1/3 is equal to cube root of a, right? So here you can see, okay, here is the 1/3, right? So it will have the same amount like this, to the cube root of a to the power of 2. Okay, this is how you write another way of writing this one. Okay, how about this? Okay, if I want to use another way, right, a to the power of 2/3 will also have the same amount as a to the power of 1/3 in bracket or parenthesis and square. Alright, okay, so here we change to cube root of a, and then all this we will square. Okay, so can you see here the same question? Okay, a to the power of 2/3, a to the power of 2/3, but we have 4 ways to write it, right? However you write it, okay, whether you want to start with square and then a square and then you cube root, or you cube root first and then you square it. Okay, sama ada kamu hendak kuasa duakannya dulu baru kamu punca, ataupun kamu punca kuasa 3 ni dulu baru kamu kuasa 2, akan tetap memberikan jawapan yang sama. Okay, ini agak complicated sikit, tapi I hope you can follow me, alright, and I will give you some more example after this. Whatever it is, these two things, okay, is the same thing. Alright, so all here is the same. Okay, just make sure you understand that first. Okay, so in general you always see some sort of formula like this. Okay, I write it to you. Right, here is the formula you always see, which is a to the power of m over n equals to, okay, nth root of a to the power of m. Alright, or you can also write it as, okay, m, but in parentheses to the power of m. Alright, this is the main formula that you will use after this. I hope you can follow this formula. Alright, okay, I show you. Okay, m here, the denominator will be the power, and then also here the power, right? Then this is the denominator, alright, will become the root. Okay, so this is denominator. Okay, for example, I give to you another example, a 4 over 7. So if you want to change those to another form, you can, okay, square. Okay, what square here? Okay, 7th root of a to the power of 4. Or you simply can write in bracket, in parentheses, okay, 7th root of a to the power of 4. Okay, how to pronounce this? 7th root, ataupun punca kuasa 7. Okay, kalau 6, 6th root. Okay, kalau 5, 5th root. Okay, kita dah belajar dulu punca kuasa 2, punca kuasa 3, okay, square root, cube root, but now you have to go further to another root, alright, so you call it 7th root, 5th root, 6th root, and more lah. Alright. Okay. Now, I want to share with you some examples so you manage to do some sort of question in fractional indices very well, right? Okay, the first question here is 81 to the power of 1/2 or 1/2 will equal to square root of 81 that you have learned before. Square root of 81 is what is the number that you multiply 2 times, you will get 81. So 9 times 9, right? So the answer is 9. If you have problem to find this, you just need to use your calculator and then put the square root 81 and equal, and you will get 9, right? So that is the first question. Alright, the second one. How about 49 to the power of negative 1/2? Alright. Okay, we have learned before, if you have negative index, what should you do? You must put 1 over, right? And then the base and the indices, the index, you must place here, alright? So 49 1/2, right? Okay, then we have learned also just now, if we have the power of 1/2, we will change it 1 over, okay, 1 over, okay, change it to, okay, square root of 49. So it will equal to 1 over what? What is the number that you multiply 2 times and get 49? Alright, so the answer is 7. As I said before, you can use calculator to have the answer. Alright, so 49 to the power of negative 1/2 will get the answer 1 over 7. Okay, now move on to another example. 27 to the power of 2/3. Alright, let's see what should we do. Okay, before this I have told you that we want to do the cube root first or we want to square it first, kan? So I choose now, let's see, I want to square it first, okay? So 27 to the power of 2, alright, and then okay, 1/3, betul tak? 2 darab 1/3 akan dapat 2/3, kan? Saya keluarkan sini, kamu tengok. 2 times 1 over 3, 2 times 1, 2, 2 over 3. Right, are you sure, okay? So, you multiply here, we'll get the question here, right? Okay, then, calculate here using your calculator or whatever. 27 square, okay, you will get 729, alright? And then to the power of 1/3. Okay, what should we do here? Okay, 1/3. 1/3 means cube root. Okay, maksudnya ni punca kuasa 3, kan? So 7 to 9. Okay, you can cube it. Okay, cube it ataupun cube root. Kamu gunalah calculator, right? Ataupun kamu ingat tak apa yang darab 3 kali dapat jawapan 79. Okay, siapa boleh hafal is very good lah. Alright, so the answer is 9 times 9 times 9. Okay, 9 kuasa 3. So, the cube root maksudnya punca kuasa 3729 adalah 9. Kamu nampak macam susah, kan? Okay, apa kata kalau sekarang saya tukar cara ini kepada cara yang kedua, iaitu saya hendak menggunakan cara yang kedua. Kita nak cube rootnya dulu ataupun kita nak puncakan dia dulu. So, 27, I don't want to square first, but I want to do the cube roots first. Okay, so 27 to the power of 1/3, alright, and then I put 2 outside, alright. The same, right? 1 over 3, 2 times 1 over 3 and 1 over 3 times 2, the same, right? So, up to you. Alright, now, okay, this one, what is this? Cube root of 27. Okay, and then we square. Alright, 27. What is the answer of cube root of 27? So the answer is 3. 3 square will get the answer 9. If you see both of these technique, which is better? Actually, to do this, I recommend you to first start with the root first, and then after that you power it. Okay, but it's okay. Which one is better? Up to the question. Okay, now I want to go further for the next question so that you can understand more. Alright. Okay, then I give you 4 more questions so that you can understand this part clearly. Alright. So now the next question is, okay, 16 to the power of 3 over 4. So I say to you that it is better you do the fourth root first. Okay, so okay, fourth root, because the 4 here, so fourth root of 16. Alright, and you cube it. Kuasakan dengan 3. Alright. Apakah punca kuasa 16? Punca kuasa 4 bagi 16 adalah apa? Apakah yang darab 4 kali dapat jawapan 16? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Right. So, kalau kamu tak ingat, kamu just tekan kalkulator yang ada tanda apa tu? Square root x tu. Okay. And then, you put the 4. Okay, 4 square root x. And then, put the 16 and equals. Alright. So, you will get the answer 2. Alright. 2 to the power of 3. 2 times 2 times 2. The answer is 8. So, this is the final answer. Alright, now, how about the second one? Alright. Negative 1 to 5 to the power of negative 1 third. Alright. Okay. First of all, there is negative here. So, be careful. You put 1 over. Okay, 1 over, we bring all this negative 1 to 5 to the power of 1 third. Okay, no more negative here. Alright, then 1 over, okay, 3. Yes, but 3 sini kan. So, negative 1 to 5. Alright. What is cube root of negative 1 to 5? Apakah yang didarab di 3 kali mendapat jawapan negative 125. Alright, so the answer here is negative 5. Okay, you can get the answer by using calculator. It's okay. So, you can write here like this, or it's better you put negative 1 over 5. So, this is the final answer. Alright, now, okay, the another question, 4 to the power of negative 0.5. You can just simply change it by negative 1 over 2. So, here is negative. The answer must be 1 over 4 to the power of 1 half. Alright, then 1 half, you change it 1 over, okay, because 2, so square root of 4 lah kan. Alright, so 1 over 2. So that's the answer. When you understand the main formula, the main concept, what sort of question come to you is just a snap. Alright, so always do exercise as much as you can. So the final one that I want to show to you today for this lesson is, okay, I hope you will understand this part clearly. Negative 8 to the power of 2 third. Okay, what is the main difference between this, okay, this and this? Okay, be careful with the parenthesis, okay. Dengan tanda kurungannya sangat perlu diambil perhatian. Okay, the fourth question in this page, okay, you can see negative 8 to the power of 2/3. Don't have any parentheses. Okay, tak ada sebarang kurungan, so be careful. Okay, I want to show to you. Alright, this type of question, you must put the negative outside. Okay, this negative does not need to power with 2/3. So, you just put negative outside and then 8. Alright, you simply can do, alright, 1/3. Alright, so negative here. And then, to the cube root. Okay, cube root here because 1/3 kan. So, tukar kepada cube root of 8. Alright, and then square. Okay, jangan lupa dengan negatif. Okay, cube root of 8 will get 2 to the power of 2. Okay, 2 square lah. Alright, and then negative 4. This is the final answer. Hopefully that you can follow the basic of fractional indices. Alright, thank you for today. Till we meet again. Assalamualaikum and bye-bye.